Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Panlasang Pinoy potato salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh potatoes, 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, and a mix of crisp vegetables like celery and carrots. Don't forget to prepare 4 to 5 hard-boiled eggs, as they add wonderful richness. We'll also need basic seasonings, such as salt, ground black pepper, and a touch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Now let's get those potatoes ready. Wash and peel about 2 pounds of potatoes, then cut them into uniform 1-inch cubes. Boil them in lightly salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain them well and let them cool completely. While the potatoes cool, finely chop your other ingredients, such as 1 stalk of celery, 1 small carrot, and 1 small onion, ensuring everything is ready for mixing. With all your ingredients prepped, it's time to bring everything together for that signature Panlasang Pinoy flavor. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your cooled, diced potatoes, chopped vegetables, and sliced hard-boiled eggs. Now, add about 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Carefully fold the mixture until all ingredients are evenly coated, being careful not to mash the potatoes too much. The final, crucial step for a perfect potato salad is chilling. Cover your bowl and refrigerate the potato salad for at least 1 hour, or even better, for several hours. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly harmonious taste. Before serving, give it a gentle stir and taste to adjust any seasonings if needed. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or a dash of paprika for an inviting presentation. Enjoy your homemade Panlasang Pinoy potato salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.